Hey guys, this is Hackform, and today I'm going to be showing you how to hack Subway Surfers. Sorry, Twitter, no. Subway Surfers with Cydia. So just follow me, and then yeah, the link to add will be in the description. So let me tell you, this iPod is running on 7.1.2. So yeah, look right here, 7.1.2 software update. Checking for update. Oh, this right here. Update is like right here. It's running on 7.1.2. Okay. So yeah, that thing aside, why not we just go to Cydia first? Cydia. My internet is slow, so I just did another video. So yeah, my internet's pretty slow. Oh, I need time now, internet. So I'll just put in our temperature right now for selecting all packages, and you go back. So it's the thing repo. I'll just put it in X or okay. So it's repo dot x dot com slash. I'll put the link in the description. So done. There it is. All packages. Scroll down to I. Then right there, IAP free. Okay, so you go in here, then install. It's going to say installed and confirm. Get back here. It's right here, IAP. So wait. Loads, applications. Make sure the applications you want are turned on. So right now I'm doing Subway Surfers. It should be turned on. So yeah, just go back. Subway Surfers. Anytime now. So over here, right? So just Subway Surfers. Looks right here. It says get two. No, 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 no. I don't want to watch the video. OMG. Shut up. You guys can just skip through this.
Manage orders and call on your friends to help make your farm successful. Download Heyday on the App Store and find your way home.
I just hate ads. Shop. Let's go on shop. Then right here. Obviously just click until you don't earn the money. I come back here. Uh-oh. Why would I just press the home screen? So I just come to the middle. Look. So yeah, now I go back on. It's gonna give me the money. So guys, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. If this helps, please, please, please like and subscribe. Thank you. I'm gonna do another video on how to get this thing, right? For the